This is Phoebe. Whoop. And Festus. Festus is supposed to be Phoebe's. This is Phoebe's video. Hi, Phoebe. These are adoptable cats from the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire. They're currently waiting for their forever home at PetSmart in Nashua. On Cellular Drive over near Target. Hi, Phoebe. These are two super duper duper cats. Huh, aren't you, Festus? Festus has had a haircut because he was rather matted.
Hi. Hi, handsome. You're beautiful.
Oh, you guys are favorites here, aren't you? Festus. Charles is sticking his foot.
Yeah, he likes to visit.
Anyway, this is all supposed to be about Phoebe, isn't it? It's Phoebe saying, hey, did you forget about me? This is my video. Okay, you go play. Show me how you can play. You too. Oh, Festus. You are adorable. You're very friendly guys. So friendly, it's hard to get videos of you. Let's see, Phoebe. Oh, now you're going to go play.
She's not happy with me because I wet her.
What you got there, Phoebe?
She's mad at me. She's mad at me.
Oh, is there some catnip on there, Phoebe? Mm-mm. Well, pretty girl.
Her own good.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.